Hi guys, welcome back. This in the log is a Union 5-pin and it comes to me from Jamie. It's a challenge lock. Now, I've opened this several times when the camera's not in the way, but it seems very difficult to do it when I've got the camera right in front of it. But we'll try and open it again. Very gently. Just back to front. I'm being over gentle because I know these have got a lot of serrations in, so I want to try and pick it very gently, not to overset. Try and get a little false set going, which isn't happening because the bloody camera's in the way again. But let's try and turn this a little bit. Stick with it, just backwards and forwards, not pushing too hard. That was 5, I think. Bit on 2. Click from 4. I'm just trying to tease them down. I'm not going to push them too hard because I know it will go tits up if I try and do that. Right, 2 gives me a little bit of feedback here. Right, that was a click on 2. I'm getting feedback from the back. Don't want to overdo it though. So I'm just going to remain calm and hope. I would now when the camera's turned off, I would have opened this by now. It would be open, but like I say, with the camera in the way, it must be the angle of my arms and hands, whatever. Just doesn't happen. I think I've got a bit of a false set now. Yeah, that's the bigger false set. There we go. Right, finally I got it. Alright, it took me a lot longer that time with the camera in the way, but it's open. Right, I'm going to set the camera up and gut it, so I'll be back shortly. See you in a minute, guys. Right, hi guys, welcome back. Right, hopefully that camera position will be fine, and we'll have a it's quite awkward to do this because having to stay in shot. Try and get the clip off the back without locking the thing back up. There's the clip. Okay, one clip. Right, let's make sure we're not going to bugger this up. Key pins there, driver pins there. That is not going to work. That'll work. Right, okay, follower. That didn't work, did it? Oh, it did, yeah. Got a bit caught then for a minute, thought we forced it up. Right, okay. So, key pins. Evil key pins. I'm going to stand these up so you can see them better. There's pin 1. It's a serrated Pin 2, it looks like a barrel. Looks like a, well, it's a serrated, I'm guessing these are all going to be serrated. That one's so serrated it doesn't even want to come out. Yeah, right, so I can see as I take these out, all the key-pins look like they're going to be serrated, heavily serrated, that one, with thin down back end. The core is counter milled on 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 looks like it's got a little bit as well. Threading on 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pin 4 is got one serration in it. It's a bit longer. And pin 5 is another multiple serration, like so. Evil pins, evil core. Let's have a look at the drivers. Not expecting any different in a thing than evilly. Try and get in, stay in shot. Didn't leave myself much room with this setup. Okay, so pin 1 is I don't know what you call him. It looks a bit like a post, one of those old red post box with a big round top on it. Trouble is doing it like this, I can't actually, it doesn't give me enough room. Right, so let's do it like that, that's better. And this bloody tag's in the way a little bit. Right, so number 2. Number 2 is like so. I don't know what you would call that. I would call it the Son of Satan, if I can get it to stand up. I'll take a picture of these after anyway, so you'll be able to see them properly. Bollocks. Don't know what number 3 was. Oh, there's number 3. Yeah, there it is. I was going to say it hit the key pin then. I didn't know which one it was, but it's quite obvious which one the key pin is, really, isn't it? Because it's got the thing on the end. There's 3. Pick this key pin back up. 3. Alright, next is, he comes shooting out, couldn't grab him. 4 is a standard. Fucking hands are shaking like mad. It's me age. There's 4. And the last one, it's got a different spring tension in it, I can see, because it didn't hardly come out at all. There's the last one, and that looks like a bloody, don't know, I guess that looks like a mortar bomb. Okay, so there's all the pins. I don't really want to take all this apart, but just trying to see if there's any threading in. I'm just going to look see if there's any threading under a light. So yes. Yeah, okay, so, and the Bible is also all five chambers in the Bible are threaded as well. So BPB was really trying to stitch us up there, but it was enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed that, guys, as much as I did. I'll see you on the next one. See you later, boy. As I say, I'll take some pictures of these pens so you can see them close up. Okay, see you later, bye.